Hello, welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. Happy 2 days till Christmas. And today we are cleaning out our makeup. So what I mean by that is my makeup drawer is really kind of disgusting, and so is my makeup. And I just kept telling myself, I was like, wait till New Year's, we can do a whole New Year's clean out of your room. And I just can't stand it. It's like gross. And I really need to wash my makeup brushes. So let's get this party started. First things first, I'm gonna get some Clorox wipes. Okay, we have our Clorox wipes. We're literally going to wipe every single piece of makeup off, just the outside, and I will be back. Okay, we finished, we cleaned out this. We cleaned all of our products. They're like over here, drying / just sitting anywhere else. And I literally just went around my house. We got new iPhone 16s in the summer. This is an old AirPods box. This says Elliot's picks. This is where his guitar picks were, but he has a new box now, so like, yoink. And I'm literally going to use them for organization because I don't have any organization boxes, so like, why not use them when I could be? Also, I'm watching Haley Pam right now. Just thought you should know. My booktube girly, literally the only one I watch. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna go figure this out. I'll be back once she's mostly organized. Okay, we did it. We organized it, and it actually looks really good for using phone boxes as organizers and AirPod boxes and all that stuff. Look at her. Oh, she's so organized. If you can't tell, I am a neat freak, and I am in love with this whole setup right now. Breath of fresh air. I thought it was organized before, but like, oh my gosh, now I'm in heaven. Anyways, step 2 of our cleaning makeup thing process is cleaning these brushes, which will probably take 45 minutes to an hour, but it's not like I have anything to do today, except I do at 5:30, but like, it's only 2:04, so we got time. So let's go clean all of these brushes. We're also gonna wipe off our eyelash curlers because they're kind of musty. I'm actually probably gonna get rid of this one because it's like flimsy and I've had it for over a year. And this one I just started using. It's old, but it like hasn't been used at all. Okay, let's go. We're about, that just made everything shake. Okay. We are about 65% through, probably, over halfway. We have 10 brushes left and we've done 14. So we're doing good, but we haven't done like this or the eyelash curler or anything. And we'll also need to wash like the inside of this. So we're still making good progress though. So let's keep going. Okay, we finished all the brushes and we're using the rest of this face wash to clean the, I guess you couldn't see it this whole time, but I had one of the like pads. There's still some like eyeshadow and stuff stuck on it, so we're cleaning that off. And then we're going to get a washcloth or a paper towel or something. Probably a washcloth, because that'll be better. And clean off the eye things. Also, I used this bar of soap to clean. It's like an exfoliating face bar, and I just would scrub my brushes on it and then rinse it off at the end, and it actually works really good. Also, we're gonna need to clean this sink if I didn't already say that. That's disgusting. So now we go wash these 3 things because this isn't that bad, but then like, holy smokes, what the heck. Oh my gosh. Yesterday, I filmed it yesterday, but my Vlogmas day tomorrow, I was talking about, I was doing my makeup routine because it was my morning routine for church, and I was using this, and I was like, I don't know where it's from. It's from Sephora, in case you were wondering. You just couldn't see it because there was mascara all over the logo. cleaned the sink. All of our brushes and stuff are laying out here to dry. And this is what I've been using to set you guys up. And now we're going to go, hopefully, we're gonna finish this video, read, and have a snack. And I'll be back to you when these are dry. Okay, it only took me like forever to set this up, but we are ready to read our book. Also, I had to switch phones because I am using Audible. I'm reading Harry Potter right now. I have my warmie, its tummy is warm, and so, yeah. We got some blueberries and raspberries. Some popcorn. My dog's right there and he loves popcorn. Loves. Water, cause water. Hot chocolate. Of course. And then we have 5 rolls of Pez and 5 different Pez things.
We have this Hello Kitty one, the only non-Christmas one. Santa, a nutcracker, a snowman, and a reindeer.
We are ready. We should not have to move for the next hour. And then we'll have to start getting ready to leave the house. But now I'm going to read. Okay, it's 4:09. My mom said she actually wants to leave at 4:45 instead of 5. So, I'm probably gonna have to stop reading in 10 or 15 minutes. I'll keep you updated. I'm on chapter 7. Like, this is this one right here. Chapter 7, this one, chapter 8. So I'm probably I'm finishing chapter 7, read chapter 8 because it's just a few pages and probably like half of 9. And then we'll get our brushes and get ready to leave. All right, let's collect these brushes up. These are all of our brushes. Okay, I'm going to put stuff in here. Just set them like right in the middle because where else would I put them? And thank you for cleaning my makeup with me and reading too. I love you guys so much. Happy Vlogmas day 23. And I will see you guys tomorrow for 24 Christmas.